Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you want to navigate into your settings. Next, scroll all the way down to General Management, swipe down and select Reset. Again, swipe down, and at the bottom you'll find Factory Data Reset. When you click on it, it will show you what kind of data will be removed by this process, which importantly in that list includes things like music, photos, and all user data. If you have anything of that sort that you would like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, by scrolling down, you can then select Reset. If you have a screen lock, you would need to confirm it in between these two pages that you just seen. I don't have any screen lock, but what I do have is no Wi-Fi connection, but that's not really what I was referring to. Let's give it a moment. Pretty sure it's connected. There we go, to one of them. So now if I try to do this, it will get, there we go, this thing. So if you're signed in to Samsung account, it will force you to sign out of it, and that is completely irrelevant if you already confirmed your screen lock. As one other thing, Samsung is a just fantastic company that likes to waste your time. So yeah, instead of forcing you just to sign out, they're doing screen lock plus signing out. Pretty annoying. Anyway, I'm gonna type in my password, assuming I actually remember it. There we go. Once you confirm your password, immediately when you select OK, if it's correct, it's just going to go to the logo and then turn off and begin resetting the device. And this process will take about 2 minutes on here to finish up. Once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.